Welcome to Justina's Healthy Ghanaian Meals. Hi, this is Justina over here. I just finished my morning walk and I'm just out here enjoying the beautiful weather that we have today. I love walking. I either walk in the morning or after work because it's so therapeutic. As you can see, I have this bottle with me. What's in here? I have with me ginger shot. I love ginger. It's either I'm drinking it for tea or I'm having it just fresh ginger. So I will show you Ghanaian ginger drink called Emudro. So whenever I make my ginger shot, I try to incorporate the two to make it my own. So let's go home and I'll show you how I make my ginger shot. Let's go. I'm using fresh organic ginger, lemon, long black pepper, chili pepper, cloves, and turmeric. If you don't have a juicer, it is completely okay. I don't have one either, so I use my blender and I just put all of the ingredients in there. For the lemon, so you have to squeeze it to get the juice out. Ghanaian ginger drink, it is hot. It is not for the faint at heart. So I added dates in here. That's what you see to really help me out. You probably know by now I love my turmeric. I cook with it, I drink it, I do a lot with it. So I always add turmeric to mine. And here I'm adding all of my ginger. It is up to the blender to do its magic. Please wear gloves whenever you cook with turmeric so it does not stain your nails. Even though it has health benefits, you don't want it to stain your nails. Look at this beautiful color. Look at it. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Imagine all of the healthy benefits. Ooh, I can't wait to drink it. Look how beautiful this drink is. Look at it. I love the vibrant color. Please feel free to add water to yours to dilute it because, again, ginger drink, it is hot, hot, hot. Remember to like the video, comment, and share the channel with your friends.